G'day guys, so today we're here in the lovely Emu Plains on this beautiful home we have just installed 17 of our 8Go solar panels paired in with our SigEnergy Sigenstor stack, which is 24 kilowatt hours worth of storage with a 10 kilowatt inverter. Now on this house, PSC Energy have originally installed an Enphase microinverter system. Now that can be integrated within our SigEnergy system and easily monitored through the SigEnergy app. Both those existing solar panels are on the western face. We've just installed on the northern face, which can collect most of the sun throughout your day, making your system as efficient as possible.